Let's get you some slim legs and round glutes with a Pilates ball, a plushie, or a pillow. Whatever you have lying around, grab it and let's get started. Place your prop right between your ankles. Now move your legs towards me. Press, release, and come back. Away from me. Press, release, come back. And to me. Press, release, come back. Away from me. Press, release, come back. Keep your feet pointed and your legs straight while doing that. This will help you work your inner thigh muscles and your obliques at the same time. So 2 for 1, that's always a great deal. Move towards me, press the ball together and make a small circle around. Away from me, press and do a small circle in this direction. And again. You're doing great. I know this is just the beginning, but I'm already feeling the burn, so I'm assuming you do too. So good job. Now, pubic bone to belly button, so you engage your abs while you move your legs down a little bit. Your arms go overhead. Inhale, exhale, come up. Inhale, hold, and we're going to squeeze our legs instead of doing the shoulder taps. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And down. Bring your legs in. Arms up and down. Well done. Now grab your prop and put it right between your knees. We're going to do pelvic curls at first. It's going to be a little bit more challenging after that, so enjoy the easy movement for now. So pubic bone to belly button and articulate your spine up. Press the ball and come down. Come up. Push your pubic bone to the belly button, your butt to the ceiling, feel the burn, and come down. And up. And down. And up. Push your butt to the ceiling and come down. And one more. Up. Press your legs together. Feel the inner thighs and come down. Now this exercise is going to be a little bit more challenging. You'll put your prop underneath your foot like this and try to balance on it. So come into a supine position again and come up in a pelvic curl like this. Push your foot into the ball or prop and come up and down and up and down, up and down and up and down. You feel this in your hamstrings. And down and up and down. One more. Up and down. And roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. This is so tough. Now switch foot. Are you ready to suffer again? Now, let's articulate up. My leg's already shaking and I'm not doing anything. And press into your foot and then up and down, up and down, up and down. Try your best. Up and down, up and down, up and down. One more, up and down, and articulate down. Oh my God, that was so challenging. Okay, now you deserve an exercise that's a little bit less challenging. Come to your side. We're going to do side lifts. Your prop goes between your ankles again. You lie down on your arm. The other arm is in front of you. Your hips are stacked. Now come up. Press your legs together and come down. Up. Press your legs together and down. Up. Press your legs together and down. Up. Press and down. Up. Press and down. Up. Press down. Keep your abdominals engaged. And you feel your inner thighs burning again. All right, change legs. Head on your arm, other hand in front of you, hips are stacked. And your abs are engaged. And come up, press and down. 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 Are you feeling your inner thighs burning like I do? And down. Up, press, down. Up, press, down. Two more. Press, down, and up. Press, down. Now come on your tummy. Your head will be resting on your hands. Your prop is still between your ankles. You're going to press it together and bend your legs. Lift them up and squeeze and squeeze. Keep your legs up from the ground. Push your pubic bone into the mat. And squeeze, 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 squeeze. Oh my God, I'm feeling it in my hamstrings and inner thighs. Squeeze, squeeze, you can do it. Come on, just a few more reps. And squeeze like your life depends on it. And well done. Now you're still going to be lying on your tummy. Your prop is still between your ankles and your arms will just go up. So we're going to work our legs and back muscles at the same time. Are you ready? Come up with your arms and legs and press your legs together. Pubic bone to the mat and press, press. Keep your abs engaged to protect your lower back. Come on, you can do it. Last exercise for today. Press, press. Keep your legs up. And down. Well done. And now come back into resting position. Remove your prop and let's stretch. You did an amazing job today, and I hope you're feeling your legs burning as much as I do. Done! You finished today's workout. Well done! And if you continue doing this workout, you will get amazing results in no time. Promised. And as always, don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Just like skincare from the inside out. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my next workout. Bye!